Effective cleaning on the go. These flossers are designed to make between teeth cleaning simple, fast, and effective by holding the floss at the right tension with an easy-to-grip handle, allowing you to focus on the cleaning action between your teeth. Easily remove plaque. Flossing will remove dental plaque from areas between the teeth that are most commonly missed by toothbrushing alone. If dental plaque is not removed frequently, it can cause inflammation of the gums and may lead to gum disease. Recommended by dental hygienists, our between-teeth cleaning products make it easy to clean hard-to-reach areas where plaque buildup can lead to inflammation, bleeding and gingivitis. You can reach the goal of between-teeth cleaning at least once per day. Between-teeth cleaning. Many problems start between teeth where your toothbrush can't reach. We've created quality products to make food and plaque removal effortless, including flossers, dental picks, interdental brushes, tongue cleaners and stimulators. Top reviews from the United States. Super good. The floss thread is the strongest I have ever used. I have not had one fray and break like all the others, including regular floss. I will never buy the floss again.